Yo, 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 yo. Let's see what we can get up to this week. Let's look at the news for okay, so Monday's no news. Tuesday's Bank of Japan rate decision. Wednesday JPY bank holiday. CAD bank decision. And America bank decision. Thursday England, UK even, and Europe. Fucking hell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 banks this week might not be a week to trade. Got a lot going on this week. Like a lot. I feel like gbpjpy is the way to go for shorts. because I think it'll probably come down to about here and then possibly reverse up if it's gonna go higher. I think it will. Possibly. Sorry, but I was not paying attention. Hi, good morning. What's your name? Zambezi. Oh, Zambezi. That's a cool name. They have a river in Africa named the Zambezi. I don't know if it's near Botswana or something. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning and welcome. Just started the stream not long ago, so. Zambia mostly, yeah. Makes sense in it. The Zambezi river's gonna be on Zambia. I just woke up, man. I just woke up. Give me holiday, please. Let me pull out the soundboard because I forgot to load the soundboard up. No worries. Thank you. Yeah, I grew up on the Zambia. Yeah, that's cool, man. So you're Zambian then? Anyway, where's the...
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Bro, I've got a lot of Africans in my live stream, man, so don't worry, you'll feel well fit. We have a lot of Kenyans and we have 1 or 2 Nigerian. What language do you guys speak? I want to see price come down. Take this level and then push higher. Yeah, I think on UJ I want to see price come down and mitigate this channel and then start to give confirmation of price action to go bullish. If it does that, I can consider going long. But DXY is not looking good. At the same time, had a massive push up and then back down, so we could continue to go back up again. Anyways, I'm busy. How long you been trading? Been trading long or not? Have a look at EU and G. Feel like price will, yep, push higher. If we're gonna, that does make sense. If we're gonna buy UJ, we kind of generally have to consider selling EU and GU. And then also on GJ, we've got this channel going on here. Oh, nice. Like, what's the main language? Like, does it have a main language? Like, I know Nigeria has Yoruba as the main language, I think, but then you've got loads of different village language. Like, you'll have North Nigerian language that might have 2-3 different dialects, and then you have Southern and stuff like that. I've been trading for about 1.5-2 years. Good stuff, man. Are you finding it? Are you having success, or are you... I'm guessing you're not having success if you're in this live stream because you're looking to learn. Unless you're bored and you want some sort of like community aspect. Because there's a few of us here, just like 6, 7, maybe 8. Some of us are successful, some of us just kind of chill out. Based in the UK, born and raised in the UK. But I myself am Pakistani, but I was born and raised in the UK, which is where I am right now. So we come down, up that low, started to first leg, second leg, we tagged that zone. I think if we're gonna go long, from here. I just need GU to give me absolute confirmation of that, because we're at 740, which is a good time to get a trade. That's a nice time. Bounced off of the Asia midline, that does make sense. This could work out quite good. So first leg, second leg, I need it to come break this comfortably and then retrace for a possible entry. Okay, UJ is coming down. Now I wonder if UJ is gonna melt through there from dollar weakness. Get my tablet. Yeah, how's your trading going anyway? Good, bad, successful, not successful? I don't know if you could hear me. I said, how's your trading going? Good, bad, successful, or not successful? Okay. Nanja, Bemba, Chue, Tonga, some of the main ones there, I think. Okay, so I've heard of Chue and Tonga. I don't know about the other two. And I think there's 17 different languages and about 30 different. Okay, then. Okay, then. Right, that's too many. What the hell? But I suppose it makes sense because I think like a lot of African nations, they're just like an accumulation of villages, aren't they? So then you have like all the villages that have their own dialects, and then they formed under one country name, didn't they? Sort of thing. First leg, second leg. Could have gone long here, but I don't like the look of that wick coming off the top of there. That looks a bit dangerous to say the least. 1.1, or we'll do 2.5 on that. I'll do 2.4 on that. If that candle was more bodied, I'd be interested, but it's not. Load up trading and stuff. Better trade. Wi-Fi. Yeah, I know. I don't know why they're in that part of the world, because normally you get a lot of Pakistani Indians in like UK, USA, China, Indonesia. But I only found out recently that there's a lot in Africa. I was a bit surprised by that. It didn't make sense to me why. Oh man. I was like,
wow! Beautiful!
I love the soundboard. But yeah, Zambezi, how's your I'll call you Mac. Mac, how is your trading going? Yeah, I trade M1. So I trade basically from about 7:15, 7:30 till about 10 a.m. and the New York session, London session's 8 a.m. by the way, and Frankfurt session 7 a.m. So I trade about 7:15 to 10, so about 2 hours after London, and then I trade 1 hour after New York open for about 2 hours. That's it. I just trade M1. But my risk reward is really high. My risk reward is like between 10 and 20, because I take partials like 3 separate times, 3 separate times. But my trade frequency is very low, very low. Yeah, this looks like it's going through the channel. I didn't trade for January, February, March because I couldn't get a trade. I kept marking up the charts, kept setting limits, getting swerved, all sorts of chaos, but I was caught in price action really good. About 70-80% of the time I was bang on accurate with price action in terms of like the direction of price. And then I think last week I got 2 trades, but on average in a month I get about 3-4 trades a month, so about 1 a week. Or if market conditions are bad, I'll get nothing because I only trade perfect setups. I don't chase price action. My trading style basically comes from just being really patient and stuff like that. I don't think you find a trader with better psychology than me, because I rarely get emotional. You can ask the guys when they turn up, because I don't know where they are. I think they might start coming in about half an hour or an hour. They might start turning up. But yeah, like psychologically I'm a tank. I've done podcasts and interviews and stuff like that. I have some relation to some YouTubers as well who are popular. So yeah, I think to me the most important thing is psychological restraint and self-control. Macworks. Yeah, that's exactly it. I grew up in the Tonga region, and even in that area, as you move from one dial to another, dialects change. Yeah, but you know, yeah, Mac, when you move to the other dialect, can you still understand it, or is it completely different? Or can you still like understand generally what they're saying? Sorry, I find this interesting, bro. I love languages. I know like 7-8 different languages, so I really find it interesting. Okay, we're moving now. If I would have got tagged in, this would have been break even now. But as I said, we broke that zone there, but it's a big wick. Pretty much a pin, what's it called? Pinball or pinball, whatever it is, when it comes straight back down. Don't have to look at that. If there's a stronger body close, I'd be way more confident in taking that. Oh, gbpchf. Broken the highs. Okay. Got that pool of liquidity above it. I would prefer that price. Preference would be that price comes down. Well, it looks like it's gonna take that zone and keep going higher. Oh, I think it will. And let's do 315 as an alert, and then we'll know if it does. GU's gone. That's already gone 7 pips. On here, did it break as well? Just about. Yeah, I don't like that, man. I don't. If we had a stronger candle break here, then I could have considered going long 100% on both EU and GU. I was learning to be a day intraday swing trader, and now I'm more focused on supply and demand, higher time frame swing trade. Yeah, supply demand's okay on 4 hour, 1 hour. I don't really use supply demand. I just look at zones that fail. So basically, I trade against supply demand zones on M15. Against supply demand zones on 1 hour, against supply demand zones on 4 hour. I think supply demand doesn't work anymore unless you know how to do it, because the market adapts and changes every single time, and now everyone's a supply demand trader. So now the market, you need to learn how to trade against that. Because I remember when SMC was really good, and then the market adapted, and now it's not. That's brilliant, man. Literally, it would have been 6 minutes till a break even, and that's sat right inside of my time frame as well. But EU and GU are gone. I said I wanted long. First leg, second leg, just about broke there, but then we kind of come down. We've still been in though. Only just been in there if we were to have taken it. Then here you had first leg, second leg, had that idiot zone there. Locals can't understand it. I don't, but I am useless with languages. My teacher at school had a hard enough to teach me English, so I never bothered. Where's the laughing one? I swear I have a laughing one. Wait. Okay, that's too much laughing. Yeah, that's funny, bro. Yeah, that's funny. Oh man, you stupid. Oh man. Yeah, I think, you know, if you're gonna use supply demand and that sort of thing, yeah, you're really better off going for fundamentals and stuff like that, depending what time frame you trade. What sort of time frame are you looking at? Like 4 hour, 1 hour daily, or what? Because the time frame matters a lot, to be honest. There's no entry on M1 for shorts. Literally, there's no entry for M1 on shorts. This is coming down. I were to have taken it anyway. This is the annoying thing about trading M1. You have to be so patient, yeah, and then you get like crappy price action where that's okay because it did break and then it come down as a candle, yeah, which is fine because it broke it on the wick and it come down. But when it's like that, that's like a full-on wick rejection bouncing all the way down, and then you had one fat bearish candle. That's a bad sign for me to go long. That's a bad sign. With the way I trade, you have to be very technical, like very technical and fast pace. Most traders can't trade M1. It's the hardest time frame to trade. I have a Discord you can join as well, by the way. It's in the chat if you scroll up. What's GJ doing? GJ's just sat in a consolidation, but that's not that bad because I would like to see price come down and go higher, personally. On GJ, that'd be ideal. You got London open in 6 minutes. Set an alert here as well. Oh yeah, I was on Nick's channel. I had a segment on Nick's channel about 7-8 months ago. I had the segment on there where Nick brought me on the stream and then we spoke about the way I trade and all that stuff as well. I'm good friends with Alan, I'm good friends with James, I'm good friends with Miko. Me and Nick are okay. I don't talk to Nick too much because he's a super busy guy, like super busy. But yeah, they're good people, man. But the only issue is they're all high time frame and they're all fundamental, so there's no diversity whatsoever. That's the only issue. I think the lowest time frame trader there is Ivan, and Ivan goes down to 1 hour time frame. That's it, and that's still quite high time frame. But Alan's a really good friend. Like Alan and James are like really good friends, and Miko. No, Alan and James actually. And Miko's just a good acquaintance. should get a big push coming soon. If we see price push up and then start to do a big rejection around these highs here, then we know that price is actually going to go down. And then that was London Open taking out the high to push down. Going back to what you were asking, I am learning. Yes, you're learning. Okay, yeah. Everyone learns at different paces, bro. Some learn faster than others. People ask me, how did I become profitable so quick? I said that's just individual behavior and stuff like that. You have to take your time with trading. You can't really rush it. You have to work hard and take your time. And you need a lot of patience whether you're trading 4 hour, daily, 1 hour. Is waiting to see what happens. Today might be a shit day, because you had the big market open gap and we got no news, and we got this whole week we've got Bank of Japan rate decision, Canada rate decision, America rate decision, pound rate decision, and euro rate decision. And look at monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hour. I need to have 4 hour covered by daily. If there are monthly and weekly covering, that is just better confidence. Brother, you might as well, it's good you're on extreme because they're fundamental, so that makes sense. Miko trades 4 hour purely technicals, but everyone else is fundamentals here. So, but Miko's technicals are better than most traders. So yeah, if you're gonna trade 4 hours, it's good to go to an extreme because they're fundamental heavy, so it's good to have the extra bias on your side. I've got a personal account I'm trading now, and I'm swing trading that through M1. So I'll do entries on M1, but I'll swing trade it through there so I can catch like 200, 300, 400 R. Because on an M1 stop loss, if I get 2 to 4 pips on a stop loss and I get a 500 pip move or a 400 pip move, that's, you know, 100 R. Yeah, exactly. Do you have the Edge Finder as a software? I don't have it because I don't need it. But it is good if you're higher time frame, of course. If you're just taking that low. Interesting. I think price might come down to about here. Okay, London Open in 40 seconds. Okay, we've taken this channel. This is beautiful. If you could push down in the open, take this low here, bounce off of the Asia midline on GJ, then I'd be considering to be more likely to go long. We've seen GU stall and we've seen EU push. That's interesting. So London Open is an important time because sometimes you get a fat candle and that candle gives you a lot of direction. Sometimes. Go, London Open. What are you gonna do? Look. Whilst we're looking, the EU ran through that zone, GU rejected at that level. Yeah, they are. Alan used to work for the JP Morgan. No, not JP Morgan. Was it JP Morgan? Alan worked for one of those guys. He wasn't a trader, but he worked for like JP. Was it JP Morgan? I don't remember, man. Yeah. He's gonna hit me if I forget that, because we spoke about that in depth. Okay, beautiful. So we've come. Let me just zoom into this a bit better. Weekly highs up there. I feel like GJ's gonna go long. Let's see if we can catch an entry. Damn it. Is it? Aha. I got you. I think it's for every 3 months, so I need to get a new link. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm just looking for a trade here first. If we get a structure being formed, then I'm willing to consider going long, because then if we go on M5, as long as we don't tag that level, we're about to tag it. God damn it. I have something called invalid zones in it, and I can't trade from an invalid zone, so I'm gonna have to wait and see what happens with price action now, because if we start to get price forming, let's see what happens there. GU didn't do much. EU ran off. See, I told you I wanted to go long, but couldn't get a clean entry. That's up 4.5. Oh, this is up 4.5. Oh, the Edge Finder, yeah, it's a good software, man. A good software. Yeah, I had a feeling. It's okay, bro, don't worry. It's fine. How do you do the new link? How do you do the new link? Invite. Server expires in 7 days. Edit link invite. Expire. Can you do never expire? Grant temporary membership. Never expire. Max number of uses. What does it mean? Does that mean for per person? We'll do never expire on that, and then I'll copy the link. Done. Then we got Fish Gordy. There, tried that one now. That should work. Okay, it's failed. That zone's failed. Beautiful. Now, let's hope this isn't too big of a stop loss, because then...
Australia's foreign minister will visit China from April 28th to 30th.
A little bit big. Little bit big.
If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one
Neville
big,
Macintosh.
huge, brilliant deal? Come on,
Bro, that is such a white name, bro. Neville Macintosh. That is funny. That's a brilliant name. Yeah, you're welcome, bro. We're not really that active. We just, we do mess around a little bit, but I just try to keep it mainly focused on trading and stuff. I have a tab for trading psychology and stuff as well. You can watch a podcast in there that I did, and there's a link for a book on trading psychology, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Bro, this is ripping, man. Look at that, bro. If I'd have caught entry, I'd have been up 11R. Oh well. These things happen, don't they? These things happen. But yeah, I've been trading for about one year now. Probably 1 year, 13 months, 14 months, something like that, like a year and a little bit. Started in 2024, but I took quite a lot of time off. Like, during elections I didn't trade, during summer I didn't trade, during Ramadan I didn't trade. I was ill for 2 months, I didn't trade. Yeah, so I think in about 2 years I probably took about 8 months off, 6 months off. The 24 months, take away 6, 18 months. Probably about 16 months. Then yeah, probably about 15 months I've been trading, 15, 16 months, so about a year and a quarter. Man, look at EUGU go. Woo. I'd have took partials around 12 to 15 on Euro. And then GU between 15 and 18. That would have been about 13 off. But I want to go long on GJ, but the SL's a bit big. There you go, look at that pump. Beautiful, man. Live on stream as well, beautiful. Would have been good if I was in there, but you could go through the My Trades tab and see all the trades I took and all the profits I made and all that
US
stuff.
sanctions on private oil refinery, according to Lynn.
Yes, very white guy. Wait, what? I forgot what I said. Yes, Alan, what are you saying? Morning, bro. I called EU and GU really good today, but customer couldn't catch an entry, bro. Had a really bad wick rejection there on GU, which was concerning because you had a fat bearish candle. Then on EU, it just wicked it, so I was like not keen on that. If you had just a slightly better body close, I'd have taken both of these. Would have been up about 13-ish or almost. Looking good though. No, I'm not in Pakistan, I'm in the UK. I was born and raised in the UK. And I still live here. Why are you laughing for, Alan? Trading live from Karachi. You're a flipping tosser. I swear down, you're a proper tosser. Oh man, that's funny. Hello, I'm trading live from Karachi. You know what it is? Zambi's internet lags in it, so it's like a minute behind or something like that, like 30 seconds behind the chat. Oh man. That's jokes. You on the way to work? Spread's been bad on GJ, man. Really bad. Yeah. Bro, you know the spread on gbpchf with ACG, yeah? It's 1.6 pips. That's mad. gbpchf, okay? Perfect. I could have deleted that because it didn't. Only thing I can do now is probably go long from here. .6, 2.6 plus 4. 3.3, I don't mind going long on 3.3. Then I'd rather do 3.5 then, innit? That works. think that is gonna work. I'm gonna go for that. You know, wait. I can't go for that because that's a supply zone. Yeah, that's a supply zone. Can't go for that. I almost made a mistake. First leg, second leg, tagged into a demand zone, a supply zone that broke structure here that led to first leg, second leg, third leg. Yeah, I can't do that. Need to wait for that to fail. If it broke that level, then it would have been good. Let's see what happens anyway. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh, good call. That was a good call. Oh, yeah, that was a good call. Saying no was a good call. Oh, yo. That was brilliant. Price is falling now. It's done its London Open move, which makes sense because it's been about 20 odd minutes. Now, could it do the real move back down, or is this a retracement? Because you got London Open demand zone right there. Just tagged in, giving a reaction. This has come, taken this low. Is it going to continue higher? How far are you from work anyway, Alan? About 20 minutes, yeah. So yeah, come to London Open demand and then started to push from. Oh man. Yeah, it's okay, bro. Take your time. Nah, wanted EUGU longs, couldn't get into anything. Wanted longs on GJ, but something didn't feel right about this here, and I was absolutely right. Beautiful. Looks like price might still keep going down. It looks like EUGU were the trades. I would have banked partials on both of them, but it is what it is. So I'm just waiting for another opportunity, see if it's gonna go short or not. Or if it's gonna allow another entry for a long. If not, then I'll just chill until New York session, and if there's nothing there, I'll just wait for tomorrow. There's no rush. Literally no rush. And GBPCHF is still sat in that kind of range. The way I trade is very boring because it's very patient. There's not much excitement going on until you're in a trade. When you're in a trade, price is flying in a direction normally. Boring trading is good trading. Yeah, it's actually brilliant trading. If you're bored when you're trading, it means you're doing something right, because you're not like, you know, oh, there's a trade, oh there's a trade, oh, go long, price goes down, oh no, sell, price goes up, oh no, buy. You're not doing all that stupid stuff. You know, a lot of people, a few people that come to my stream, yeah, they keep blowing accounts and they're not boring traders. They're funny to laugh at, but you know why they're blowing accounts. Honestly, I remember one guy, yeah, he's not been here in a while. I think he's took a break from trading in it, but we all make fun of him. He come to my stream, he goes, bro, I'm gonna get a brand new account and you watch, I'm gonna pass it. I swear to you, the next morning I blew the account. That's what he said. He come next morning, he goes, bro, you won't believe what happened. I said, don't tell me. He goes, yeah, I blew the account. I said, bro, it's been 1 day. 1 day. How did you blow the account in 1 day? It was hilarious, man. And I think before that he's blown like 7 or 8 accounts. Even before. It's so bad, Mac. Honestly, so bad. Oh man, it gives me anxiety, bro. Now I'm seeing it build up, sweep there, and now push down. That's actually a good chance for a short, but there's no bloody entry anywhere. There's no entry for a short either. That was a nice try on there. Have a look at gold. Bro, I told you, you know, before, so this was my last trade on euro here. Ended up going like 7.7 and then flew off. I could have stayed in this whole trade, but like I started doing like exercise and jogging and stuff during the summer, so I closed out around here. You can see it on here. Oh no, this took a L. So some accounts took a L, some accounts took a TP, but I closed out around here at 3.251, and then it flew all the way up and ended up giving, it capped around 30 to be honest, 30 to 35, 15R up to about 20. So that was annoying. That was annoying, but that's a long trade. That's literally hours. I don't normally trade that long at all. That's too long for me. Get that. So I took this trade on Friday, and then I took this trade on GJ here. Not all of my accounts tagged, hence why it doesn't have the marker here where it's actually tagged. They're all SL. It went all the way up to 8.1R. I had a chance to bank 8R, but I blinked and then price dropped. And then before that, bro, it was like freaking January the 15th. Don't even remember what pair it was. What pair was it on January the 15th? Even the computer doesn't remember it. It was on January the 15th, and that was it. And even the computer doesn't. TradingViews even forgot. Like, what trade? What when? Yeah, it's fine, bro. Take your time. There's no rush. With the way I trade, I don't need to trade every month. I can just trade 1 month, catch one big trade, and I'm done for 3 months. Like, it's really relaxed style of trading, which I prefer. Takes the stress out of it. Have a problem there, don't we? I'm gonna set that over to New York session. I'll trade New York session if there's any clean moves there. about EU and GU, then do I need to move any of them over? No, not really. I can bring this back to 4 p.m. in case New York pushes up higher. I'll drag that over there as well. So I don't think 60 pips is a big move. That would probably be Wednesday in all honesty. UJ, what you thinking? That's not going to be today. That's not going to be today. This is going to be New York session. And then odds are the Frankfurt high that we've just made is going to be also a New York session. So we can look for there on UJ. And then got that zone there all. And then on GJ, I can go to New York as well. And that. And then this can come back to you. Then GBPCHF, probably same thing. That's London low. EU's contracting, starting a consolidation. GU's kind of done the same thing. So you run out of volume. So that bit of volume was literally the London Open. GJ is dropping. We started to consolidate just a little bit there. Who's your account with anyway, Mac? Gold did a big opening move, so now there's not much here. Either. What about the indices? What's going on with the indices? VIX is still in the market mates. That sounds like you're gonna blow the account. That sounds like you're gonna get a 5% payout rejected. That sounds like you're gonna get a 0.1 payout percent rejected. What the hell is market mates? What the Mike, what the hell is a market mate? I never heard of them. Oh my god. Oh Mac, why? Why, brother? Brother, where's brother? Brother, why? Brother. Bro, that prop firm sounds risky as hell, bro. Are you sure? Because I've never heard of them. And just because they're Australian doesn't mean that they're gonna pay out. Out of all the, I only use like the top 8 firms. That's it. Only the top 8. I wouldn't go to anyone else. Gold and silver are cooked. We're at 8:40 now, so let's see what happen. I think we might go short. Or could this be a channel breakout? This could play both ways. This could literally play both ways. I'd normally say follow the price action we've had, but I got a feeling it might go down. Not sure. Not so sure. Keep watching and waiting. So are you funded or are you just doing challenges? What's the rules? Let me have a look. What they call market mates. Oh wow. Live capital, yeah? Bro, they've only been around like 3 months, 4 months, man. Let's do 2-step. 100k. Activity rule. Oh, you need at least 5 days of 0.5%. I've got scalper and swing. What's the difference? How's the scalper different? Is that a row spread account? Is the scalper row spread or something? Oh, show more information. Wait. Max risk per trade. I said they got a scalper account. What's that for? No, I'm looking at the challenges. Best mate, scalper, swing. They got 3 types. Max risk per trade 1%. Hold overnight, hold over news. Yep. Hold over the weekend. No. Leverage is 1 to 50. MT5. $2.5 commission, not bad. Sorry. 90-70, 70-90. allow scalping. And then you got swing account, which is going to be even less leverage. Let's go to the frequently asked questions. Where's FAQs? I want to read the rules. Bro, where's the rules? Like the frequently asked question. Here we go. Oh wow. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. That's it. Okay, when did they start? Okay, when was market makers established? Okay, let's use ChatGPT. Market mates. They went live in 2024. Oh yeah, they're way too new, bro. Way too new. They started in mid to late 2024 or early 2025, so they've only been around for a year. That's not good enough. And my criteria is you have to be around for at least 2 to 3 years. That's one of my criteria for trading, because I'm not gonna give my money to any firm, bro. I ain't gonna waste my time. Let's go back to the charts now. What's happening? Nothing. Nothing's happening on the charts. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think one, they don't really have the rules on their website, which is so suspicious. Yeah, that's a big red flag. They don't really state when they've actually started working and stuff like that. It just on the website on the bottom it says 2026. But then apparently the guy who did the interview, Sam Elder, said, oh yeah, it was 2024. I don't know, it seems dodgy. And you're saying he does a book. Why would a brand new firm do a book? That's dodgy, man. And then not have all the rules on that. Oh, that's why. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. They'll probably just reject you for any reason then. There's no section for trading rules at all. Some firms have a minimum trade duration. Some firms have rules where you can't do one-sided betting. I looked on the website, I couldn't find it. Let me have a look again. It doesn't make sense, yeah, for you to get funded and get A-booked. That is one of the most stupidest things you could do. Because they could blow that money straight away. So you're going to give them real money, yeah, 100k, and they're going to blow 10 grand like that, and it's cost them $500 for the account. That don't make sense. That's not profitable business. Yeah, but they don't give you a frequently asked page where you can check all the rules for the trading account. That's what I mean. They literally don't have a page for it, which is dodgy, man. That's really dodgy. Every prop firm has a frequently asked page, and then it takes you to like all the trading rules for like this account, this trading rule, this account, this trading rule, this account, this trading rule. Can you do hedging? Yes. Can you do hedging? No. Can you do one-sided betting? Yes. Can you do one-sided betting? No. Like all of that stuff. Can you minimum trade duration? No. Yes. You know, do you have to use SL? No. Yes. Like everything. They've got some rules there, but that's not everything. That's dodgy, bro. That's dodgy. I've never come across a prop firm where you have to look in the terms and conditions. They normally have it on the page, on the website or something, man. There's terms and conditions. This looks like a red flag to me, bro. Like a big red flag. I wouldn't touch this even with someone else's hand. Okay, Here we go. Breaching minimum or maximum trade duration requirements. Soft breach. Where is the minimum maximum trade duration? Where is it? Where is it? Where is minimum maximum trade duration? And you have to have a SL set within 3 minutes. Where is the minimum maximum? Hedging is not allowed. They got a lot of information, but they didn't mention minimum trade duration. They said you have to set to SL within 3 minutes, but that doesn't mean minimum trade duration. And what is a maximum trade duration? Is that going to be Monday morning all the way through to Friday evening? Because it said soft breaches, entering a trade without a stop loss in place, exceeding the maximum risk permitted per trade, breaching the minimum or maximum trade duration requirements. I don't like this. That's a no for me, bro. That's a no for me. Anyway, back to the charts. What's happening? Oh, look at Euro. Oh, look at Euro. Hello. Look at Euro go. The TP2 is normally 25 to 30 pips. 25 is 10R. And then 30 is 12. Not bad. Not bad. And then price absolutely flew off here. Couldn't even get into an entry for along there. Now it's tagged the supply zone. Sticky. And GBPCHF is still not really doing anything. 4.1. Nah, it doesn't say it there, bro. It just says challenge type. Trades must match the trade duration of the challenge type. That's it. See the table definition below. Okay. But breaching the minimum or maximum trade duration requirement. So maximum is going to be holding overnight. What's the minimum then? There has to be a minimum trade duration. What's that? Is it 1 minute? Is it 2 minutes? Is it 3 minutes? Because you have to set a stop loss within 3 minutes. But stop loss in place must be placed in. Otherwise, the channel may be set. It is not permissible to bypass this robust slipping without stop loss and closing trades. Oh, 3 minutes. So the minimum trade duration is 3 minutes. You have to do 0.5% over 5 days. Was the risk rule or chances for trade? You must not risk may not to open. But what's max overall risk then? Just the normal two-step, innit? The normal two-step challenge that you get. The two-step best mate. Anyway, why would you choose a one-step? One-steps are known to have the worst rules, bro. Well, I'm happy so far anyway. Core price action really good. One-steps are the worst. You always want to go for two-step. Let's have a look at one step. I'm sure they're really bad. Every prop firm I've looked at one steps had shit rules. Okay. Drawdown 6%. EP 10%. That's not even 1-to-1. It's actually easier than the two-step because you got good drawdown, yeah. But the problem is with the two-step, you got more drawdown. So you got 8% drawdown on two-step. Phase 1 is 1-to-1 ratio. TP1 drawdown 1, as in like 8%, 8%. Phase 2 is obviously 5% then 8%. If they had 10%, it'd be better. 8%'s a bit tight. Do they not have 10? No, they don't. They don't have 10. And why is there two prices? It says 600 for phase 1, 580 for phase 2. Do you have to pay twice? That can't be right. Also, I don't think they allow copy trading either, so that's going to be a problem for me. I can't use them. I definitely wouldn't use these guys. The phase 1's not bad because you've got 10% TP, 6% drawdown, so you got more than 1-to-1, which is good, but then you're only limited to 6% drawdown. I prefer phase 2 because you got 2% more, because if you 0.5%, then you got 4 more trades there, which makes a lot of difference when you're in drawdown, you know. I would always go for 2-step. I think 2-steps are always better because you got more drawdown, so there's more flexibility. This guy went so close to tagging that and then was like, no. No, I mean, I use copy trading because I have loads of accounts. Just checking my phone. No, this is on its way anyway. That's fine. Yeah. They're not a new company. I don't. Basically, I don't trust any company unless they've been around for at least 3 years. So they have to have been around for at least 3 years, 2 to 3 years, and they have to have all the rules available. Oh, hi Bernard. And they have to, what else is there? Have to be around for 2 to 3 years, have to have all the rules on the website, and they have to have like solid ratings, like at least 4 out of 5 star rating with at least 1,000 reviews, and they must have at least some traders saying, yeah, I've had payouts. Because loads of people put, oh, great customer service, and that's it. I don't care about customer service. I care about, do they pay? Do they pay? Do they pay? Yes or no? Do they pay? Hello, Bernard. What's happening? Good morning, brother. GU and EU are just flying. The paper, that's all we care about. Yeah. Good luck, bro. You're very wishful, man. You're very, very wishful. I'm not trying to be savage because you're a new viewer, yeah, but if you're one of the other guys, I'd be destroying you right now. Because you're a new viewer, I'm not. Because you don't have that friendship yet. But trust me, oh, remember this conversation, man. And if you do end up becoming a regular viewer, I'm gonna cook you in about 2-3 months. Oh man. It's good, bro. I wanted to get into these in it, yeah, but I couldn't get a clean entry, man. So I called price really good, but I just couldn't get a clean entry because on EU, yeah, on EU, like it just about broke that supply zone, yeah, and then GU had a really disgusting wick. Look at that disgusting wick. If it just had a tiny bit of a body, I'd have taken that trade on both EU and GU. But obviously, I'm very, very strict on my rules in it. So obviously, I'm not gonna do anything without, you know, everything matching up or whatever. But yeah, it looks like today could have been like a 20-odd day or a 30-odd day. 25 or possibly. And I hear what you're saying. I just remember someone had a earlier trader, and on those old prop firms they had to start at some point. Yeah, but what matters is that you go to the firms that are authentic in it. You know what I mean? Unless you want to be an investor and give them money in their piggy bank. But I don't know if you're rich enough to just give money to a firm to become rich. I'm not doing that. I'm here to take money from prop firms, not give money to prop firms. Rules are very important. Oh god, yeah. And also how long they've been around. You know, a lot of scamming firms, they can stick around for about 1 year, 18 months. Then it's hard for them to stick around. That's why I look for about 2 to 3 years. I know, yeah, DXY is dropping. Look at EU and GU, man. If EU and GU are flying and UJ is falling, which it is right here, then yes, of course, DXY is gonna be on a free fall all the way through the toilet. In the toilet bowl. GU is wait. Dollar is doing a that was funny. What did dollar did that? But yeah, look at that go, man. I'm happy of these two anyway. I wanted to long GJ, didn't happen. I was glad I was patient. Wanted to long here, couldn't get a clean 2 leg. That's just nothing for me. That isn't. Ugh. Oh, hello. Now, is it gonna go up from here or not? There's a lot of chop going on with this. We're just stuck in a 20 pip range for about an hour and 15 minutes on GJ. Then on UJ we've been stuck in a 16 pip range. EU and GU have done brilliant. EU's done basically 19 pips in an hour and 15, which is really good for EU. and GU's done 15 pips in an hour and 15 minutes. It's just surprising because it's way lower than euro, and pound is the one that does more general pip volume. I was right about price building this level, broke it, pump tagged in and then flew off. Then I'm guessing this was the same, yeah, same price action pretty much as pound. I'm glad I was right on it, but it's a bit of a tricky one because it could have gone the other way as well. I don't normally like scaling into existing trades, but I suppose you could have got like another 4 or out of that. Now we've taken Asia high. What's it gonna do? Is it gonna drop or not? But yeah, Mac, just stick with the reliable firms. That's the best thing you can do. Price did a good job through here, and UJ it fell beautifully through there. I don't think I can do anything at the moment. My price isn't really giving any direction. We just look at M15 on pretty much everything. Pound again is just kind of just sideways. UJ is slowly dripping down. Euro, pound, Euro USD is going up lovely. That's having a bit of a contraction. Pound USD is going up, same as well, pretty much similar thing. And then CHF is just stuck in a range. Which is, it's just stuck in a range, CHF is. I can't do much with this market at the moment, but I'm just trying to be patient in it. In case we could come across something at some point, so yeah. How are you anyway, Bernard? And Mac, what are you looking at? Oh, what do you trade anyway, by the way, Mac? You trade like Forex or indices or what? Bye.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
That was a bit loud, I'm sorry. Bye. I trade everything except stocks, so Forex and metals basically. And indices. How are you, Vi? How is your trading? How are you, Vi? How's your trading? why it's funny, he just pops in to say hi and then disappears. We're almost at 9:30 now. We're not seeing price go down either, just seeing slight contractions, but I think it's going to keep going higher. I am off. I have some things to sort out. Peace out, man. Thanks for coming by. Boring day today, but it is what it is. Hey, what are we gonna do? I want a long gbpchf, yeah, but it's being such a gay one. No, my luck is gonna come down to this Asia midline. all this is a crappy price action. Ugh. I think that's gonna keep going down. Yep. I've got a feeling we're not gonna get much day after this. For London session anyway. And we're just stuck in a chop here. I can't really do nothing with this. I'm glad I caught the idea was right though. That alone is good enough sort of thing. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yo. Indices, VIX is still up 2.3%, 19. Indices kind of down, break even, around 0 to neutral to slightly negative. Oil's up. Platinum, palladium up, gold, silver, neutral. Ethereum down, Bitcoin down. that's me done. Right, boys, I'm calling it here for now. I'll come back for New York session, see what New York does. But London, I called EUG really good. Would have been good if I could have got a slightly better price action. But other than that, that's it. UJ fell quite hard, which makes sense with going long on EUGU anyway. GJ very consolidated. GBPCHF very consolidated. I'm hoping to catch a bigger move on this. Hopefully, you know, something back up to here. So I want to catch like a good 200-300 pip move. So if I could do it on a, oops, I could do that on a, for example, 3.5 pip SL. R, and then just target, I don't know, up here. Might take a week or two to get there, I don't know. To see how it goes, innit? Right, I'm done. Peace out. See you later, boys. Cheers. If you're watching this back, hit like. Any questions, drop it in the chat. Peace.